Have you ever thought about a product that you want customized specifically for your brand and your business? Have you ever tried looking for a supplier or a manufacturer to create that product for you that you have envisioned? Well, in this video, I'll be talking about using the website Alibaba in order to do so. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So Alibaba is a website where you can go to and find suppliers and manufacturers to make custom products to your liking. You can find all types of products on there. You can find all kinds of suppliers on there. You can find anything that you can think of that you can sell to your customers. So in this video, I'll be talking about the steps you have to go through in order to create your product successfully so that you can finally get that customized product that you envision in your hand. So the first thing you want to do is go to Alibaba.com and create an account. It's very easy to do, very straightforward. Just go in there, click create an account, and it'll walk you through the process. Now, once you have your account set up, what you want to do is search for the type of products that you want customized for your brand. So what you will want to do is go to the search box, type in any type of product that you're looking for. So for example, backpacks, you can type in backpacks. You can type in shipping boxes. You can type in custom jackets or custom shorts or whatever you want to type in, or whatever that you're looking for to customize. Go ahead and type that in the search box. And after you type in the product that you're looking to customize, what you will want to do is look at the supplier's information. There are a couple of things that you want to look for specifically in a supplier. You want to make sure that they are verified. You want to look for the verified logo next to their name, and also you want to make sure that there is trade assurance with that supplier. You want to make sure that when you're ordering from Alibaba, you're ordering from a good supplier that has their stuff in order. You want to protect yourself as much as possible, because more than likely you'll be reaching out to a supplier that is outside of the United States. So once you've done your due diligence and checked out the product and the quality of the supplier, what you want to do is message them. Because if you want to make a custom product, you're going to have to let them know how you want it to look, what size you want it to be, and so on and so forth. And after you set up your conversation with the supplier, you want to make sure that you order a sample. Ordering a sample is key because you want to know what the product looks like and feels like and what the quality is before you order 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 products. Make sure you order your sample before you strike a deal with that supplier. So those are the steps when going on Alibaba.com to find a custom product for your brand or business. If you found this video interesting, definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment, let me know if you ever used Alibaba before. Also, don't forget to watch this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.